some kind of Eden, and I've woven a few quotes from famous people within the poem. So maybe I should do this when I do the quote. Actually, it's Some Kind of Eden Instead is the title. Poetry is an act of peace. Pablo Neruda. I want to dive into an ocean of sky, to live in a place that only good wishes go, to wake in a world that knows not of war, neither pain nor loss, where hearts are whole, unbroken, and overflow with love. I have a dream today. Martin Luther King. I want to sink into a river of light, to journey to a place where only peace goes. Carry me away in your heart. Carry me away in your heart, your mind, your soul. Carry me away to some kind of Eden instead. Sisters, brothers, one life, but we're not the same. We get to carry each other. You too. Wrap your truths around me like a blanket of lies, dictatorships. All around us we do see, while our planet slowly dies. Whispers through closed mouths think they can decide our fate. Is peace all but an illusion to date? Get up, stand up. Stand up for your rights. Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. Paul Marley. Life is full of choice, but only for some. Peace lives in a tragic kingdom. Fragile, broken soldiers give up their breath, built on blood and death. All a house of cards that we tear down over and over again. An eye for an eye only ends up making the whole world blind. Mahatma Gandhi. After war, can peace truly come? It is better to burn out bright than to fade away into the darkness. Peace can't be caged or kept by force. A wild thing, she seeks freedom. History has written her story of which we are all made. The future is unwritten. Peace is our destination, but it is also the way. When the power of love overcomes the love of power, the world will know peace. Jimi Hendrix. I want to float in a sea of dreams, to drift to a place where only hope goes. Can heaven on earth be found here? Let us build some kind of Eden instead, where we can hold our loved ones near. Life is what we make it. It is never the wrong time to do what is right. Imagine all the people living life in peace. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us and the world will live as one. John Lennon. Imagine.